Hello dear student, today I'm going to show you some practical of Adobe Photoshop. So we need to first bring one picture. I have opened the Adobe Photoshop window and then I've clicked on file menu and then I'm clicking on open menu. Then the open browser will open and then I'm selecting the desktop. In the desktop I have saved the picture in pics folder. I'm clicking on the pics folder. So suppose this big cat folder I have brought. Student, you know this middle portion of Photoshop is called document window. So now this document window has come. I call it working area. So in the working area or document window, I have brought a JPEG file, a picture. Now I want to show you first of all the lasso tool. I want to show you the magnetic lasso tool. Student, I am clicking on the magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool is used to select and cut a portion of an image according to its uneven edges with the freehand movement of the mouse cursor. So let's see how we can cut a portion according to the uneven edges of the portion of the picture or image. So let's start with this. Just I'm giving a left click, then just it has started. I'm just moving the mouse pointer according to the edges of the picture. That's what I'm doing. I'm just moving the mouse cursor according to the edges of the picture. So you can see the mouse cursor is sticking. The line is sticking automatically at the edges of the figure of this big cat, and you can see easily that it is happening like this. And I'm moving the mouse cursor according to the edges, and you can see this thing. And now I'm selecting the baby cat, and also you can see I'm moving the mouse cursor according to the edges of the body of the big cat. Now I have come to the point from where I started. Now I will start double click. Now you can see the entire body of the big cat from the image is selected. Now I'm using this tool which is called the move tool. I've clicked on the move tool and I can move this part, big cat and its baby, this part from the image. And what I can do, I can press Ctrl X, that means I have cut it, and then I can open another picture I can open, or I can open a new file from the new dialog box. I can open a new file through the new dialog box, and the box will open and I can paste it. And when I am pasting it, you can see it is pasted. Even you can see this, it is pasted. Even also you can select the entire thing, and you can also move this thing accordingly, and you can cut it also, and after that you can open any other picture. Okay, suppose this picture you can open, and here you can paste it, and you can see that it has come. So this is the usage of lasso tool, especially the magnetic lasso tool. Okay, so magnetic lasso tool helps to cut a particular portion of the picture according to its uneven edges with the freehand use of mouse pointer. We can drag the mouse pointer according to the edges and that will be cut. So this is one example of lasso tool. Now I am bringing another new picture. Suppose I am bringing this picture of cheetah. Now I want to show you that what is the clone stamp tool and pattern clone stamp tool. First, I want to show you what is clone stamp tool. You right click on the clone stamp tool. You will get two types of clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. So click on clone stamp tool and I press Alt button, and you can see the small dot has become a target symbol, and then I am moving the mouse pointer, the target symbol, around the face of cheetah. Then I am leaving the Alt button. Then you can see one very tiny circle mouse cursor is coming. You can see the movement. Now I am just moving the mouse cursor from one part of the image continuously. I'm just dragging and moving the mouse cursor in one part of the image, and you can see the face of the cheetah is copied, and this is called clone. That means the duplicate copy of the original part I can make. You can see. So this is called the clone stamp tool. So first of all, you need to select the area from where you can start cloning. I have selected with the help of Alt button. I pressed the Alt button, then I moved the mouse pointer, and that portion was copied, and now I am moving my mouse pointer in another portion of image, and you can see the same face of the cheetah is cloned. You can see here. And if I move the mouse pointer further, the entire body of the cheetah will be made. But student, remember that from where I started the cloning. So this is the clone stamp tool, by which you can use the clone stamp tool to make a duplicate copy or clone of one part of image. You need to click the Alt button, then you need to start the cloning. So student, again I am bringing another picture. Suppose I am bringing this picture, another cheetah picture. So here I brought this part. I want to bring a new picture. Suppose crocodile picture I want to brought. So this crocodile picture I have brought. Student, I want to give, now I am showing you the pattern stamp tool. I am clicking on the pattern stamp tool. Okay, and here the patterns are given. Any pattern you can give. Suppose you want to give this pattern. Okay, now you just do one thing. You just move your mouse pointer over the particular part of the image. The particular part will have the selected pattern. Where you can get the selected pattern? Here you can get the selected pattern, and I have selected a pattern for the body of the crocodile, and you can see I can make the crocodile body like this. That means a new pattern I am giving to the crocodile body. So you can understand this is the pattern stamp tool, where the pattern will be copied on the part of the image where you will be moving your mouse pointer or mouse cursor, and you can see the same pattern will be copied. And you can select another pattern also. Doesn't mean that you need to select only one pattern. You need to select multiple patterns also. So here I have selected one pattern. So this is the part you can see. I have given a pattern of the crocodile body. So student, this is 3 tools I have told you. One is magnetic lasso tool, and second is clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. Thank you all the student.